Embarking on a renovation project or hosting a large-scale event in Orlando, Florida? Lady Waste Corp, your premier dumpster rental service provider in Orlando, Florida, offers a streamlined solution for efficiently managing your waste disposal needs. We understand the importance of maintaining a clean and organized environment, and our commitment to exceptional service ensures a seamless experience. Lady Waste Corp prides itself on its unwavering reliability. We offer diverse dumpsters in varying sizes to accommodate any project scope, from single-day cleanups to large-scale construction endeavors. Our timely delivery and prompt pickup schedules guarantee minimal disruption to your workflow or event. Our dedicated customer service team is readily available to assist you in selecting the optimal dumpster size for your specific needs. We take pride in providing clear and concise communication, ensuring a transparent and stress-free rental experience. Let Lady Waste Corp become your trusted partner in waste management and dumpster rental in Orlando, Florida. Contact us today at 321-414-0014 or visit our website at www.ladywastecorp.com service area to experience the efficiency and dedication that has become synonymous with our brand.